Stop wasting 3 hours on a thumbnail that gets 0 clicks. Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day AI tips and tricks challenge. Let's begin. There is a new tool in the market, and it's basically a cheat code for your click-through rate. Here's the crazy part. You literally just paste your video title. The AI reads it, understands the niche, and builds the entire thumbnail from scratch. Clickbait colors, psychology, composition, automatic. Gaming, neon glitches. Finance, gold and green. Vlog, bright Mr. Beast colors. It just knows. Want to level it up? You can upload a reference image. Product review, upload the bottle. Personal brand, upload your face. The AI adapts whatever you give it. But honestly, most people just use the title. That's it. No templates, no Photoshop, no stock images. Just your title and AI magic. It's called Twills AI. It's fast, it's smart, and truthfully, it feels kind of illegal to be this good. Comment viral if you want the link. Your CTR will thank you. Follow for day 2.